Good afternoon, I hope everyone's well today, thank you for watching. I've just seen something online regarding this trial that's going on currently about the alleged assault on those police officers in Manchester Airport on the 23rd of July last year, and I wanted to bring it to your attention. We've got Mohammed Ahmad, 26, and Mohammed Faye Amaz on trial, accused of assaulting PC Zachary Marsden, PC Lydia Ward, and PC Ellie Cook after they tried to arrest the younger brother. Apparently the altercation originally was because they wanted to search the mother, who is in religious get-up. So another reason why religious get-up that is foreign to the United Kingdom may want to be restricted, in my view. There's a couple of things I wanted to bring up about this case. First of all, we had the police stomp where we had the outrage from all the race baiters about the police officer who stomped on one of the suspects' head. It did look a little bit harsh, but I made a video at the time saying I thought it was proportional and there'd be more to the story. And lo and behold, there was more to the story, because everyone's seen the footage and everybody's probably seen the extent of the brutal battering one of the policewomen got on the day. My personal opinion is that, based on the footage, is pretty much an open and shut case. The only reason I am making this video is because of what the judge has said today. Now, the judge himself has put out a statement. Let's just have a look now. Where's the statement? Here we go. The statement: the judge addresses the defendant's good character. The judge addresses the jury on the defendant's good character as they have no previous convictions. He said, although good character is not a defence, you're damn right it's not, so why are you bringing it up? Of any of the charges faced by the defendants. It is relevant in two ways. Firstly, as the defendants have given evidence, their good character and positive feature you should take into account in their favour when considering whether you accept what they told you. Secondly, the fact that the defendants have not offended in the past, either before or since, may make it less likely that they acted as the prosecution allege in this case. Essentially, he's calling the police officers and the prosecution liars, and this has been instructed by the judge. Now, me personally, I am quite shocked that a judge has acted in this way, or maybe not, considering we are in a two-tier society, and the defendants have protected characteristics. If you remember, after this incident last year, there was a lot of people of the same ethnic minority making a nuisance of themselves and violently protesting outside the police station where the suspects were being held. Much like the Her Hills riots, nothing was ever done about that. We are in a two-tier society. Now, when the Yvette Cooper actually seen the police stomp on one of the individuals, she said that she shared a deep concern surrounding the video and understood the widespread distress it caused. When the full footage came out of the attacks on the police officers, no statements from the government or the Home Secretary were made. No statements at all. I thought police officers were meant to be respected. Keir Starmer's been on TV and he's put statements out this week saying that police officers need to be respected, and violence against police officers is never acceptable. Or is that only if you're white? Is that only if you're the native population? Is that only if you don't tick a protected characteristic box? Just something to think about. I know I will be. And then we finally, before I leave you to consider the way this trial is going, one of the suspects says they didn't realise that they were fighting cops and feared they would beat them to death. As I look at this impartially, I can say I don't buy that for a second. Police officers are clearly identifiable. There was no way you would see a uniformed police officer and not know they were a police officer. I wonder though, in other cases where people have no previous convictions and they're a good character, would the jury consider that, or would be told that it's irrelevant to disregard it? Would it even go to a trial? Would they be forced to plead guilty? Something to think about. Do you think that Royal Marine, Jamie Michael, do you think when he went to trial, do you think the judge asked anybody to think of his good character or his service record? It's just disgusting that the judge felt that this was appropriate. Now, if you like this video and you think I'm onto something with this, you let me know. Comment below if you think I'm overreacting. You let me know if you think they're going to get off, they're going to walk, they're going to get a community order, or they're going to get double the sentence of Lucy Connolly. I appreciate your time today. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. You have a good afternoon.